Lomi versus FoodCycler. Which food waste recycler is worth buying? Reducing food waste at home has never been easier thanks to countertop food recyclers. Lomi and FoodCycler are two of the most popular options, but they serve slightly different needs. Lomi focuses on versatility and composting convenience, while FoodCycler emphasizes speed, odor control, and efficiency. This comparison breaks down their features, usability, and ideal users, so you can choose the food recycler that best fits your kitchen and lifestyle. Lomi is designed as a smart countertop appliance that turns food waste into nutrient-rich compost. It's ideal for households that want to reduce waste and repurpose it for gardening or disposal. Why users like it? Smart, app-connected appliance with multiple composting modes. Can handle fruit, vegetables, coffee grounds, eggshells, and more. Produces usable soil amendment or compost sleek. Countertop-friendly design, minimal odor during operation. Lomi's main strength is its versatility and user-friendly design, making composting easy for households that want to turn a wide variety of kitchen scraps into compost. Best for eco-conscious households looking for a smart, all-in-one composting solution. FoodCycler is a compact and efficient food waste recycler that breaks down food scraps into dry, odorless material, ready for disposal or gardening. It emphasizes speed and low maintenance. Why users like it? Quick cycle times, often under 4 hours. Compact, countertop-friendly design, minimal odor thanks to effective venting and filtration, easy operation. Add scraps and start the cycle. Produces a dry, lightweight output ideal for disposal or garden use. FoodCycler shines for households that want fast, simple, and clean food recycling without needing composting expertise or long processing times. Best for users who want fast, odor-free food waste processing for easy disposal or gardening. Feature comparison: Lomi and FoodCycler both help reduce kitchen waste, but they appeal to different types of users. Lomi is best if you want a versatile, smart composting system that produces usable soil and can handle a wide variety of scraps. FoodCycler is better if you prioritize speed, minimal odor, and a simple, low-maintenance solution for easy disposal. In short, Lomi sichakar smart, versatile composting. FoodCycler tichakar fast, clean, and efficient recycling. Final thoughts. If your focus is on turning food waste into compost for gardening and a wider variety of scraps, Lomi is the better choice. If you want quick, odor-free recycling with minimal effort, FoodCycler is the stronger option. Your ideal food recycler depends on whether you prioritize versatility and composting quality or speed and low-maintenance operation.